Hey everyone, it's Alex, and today we're gonna unbox this Funko Pop Dipper Pines Chase. So let's open it up top. Put between my legs. Alright, I'll put the camera down for a minute. Here it is. Oh, it fell out of this thing immediately, but here it is. I'll pick that up. But here is the Dipper Pines Chase. It's different from the original because what?
It's a chase.
I know. It's different from the original because it has the purple hair. It has a lighter paint color. And the shoes are not, they're not black, and he doesn't have skin color for the legs, and the shorts are different and all that, but there's a lot of similarities between these, so I'll put them up here. But yeah, on the back, it shows the other ones, so the Dipper and Mabel. Then we have Grunkle, Stan, and Bill Cipher. Bill Cipher is the other Chase, and this. And then this is a code. I'll have to figure it out when I get home because I have the book. Dipper and Mabel's Guide to
Unlimited Fun.
Mystery and Unlimited Fun or something. But yeah, that's pretty much it. And sorry, my allergies. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.